The Clarke Tiger 3000B petrol-driven pressure washer is a powerful and portable high-pressure power washer that's ideal for cleaning cars, motorbikes, cycles, boats, agricultural machinery and other equipment in remote locations when mains electrical supply is not available. This capable and compact machine does not require a mains water supply, as it can draw water from a water butt or other convenient source, making it ideal for remote locations such as off-road circuits and trails. It's great for cleaning motocross bikes, mountain bikes and vehicles. A water bottle is provided in its own cradle to enable the pressure washer to prime when drawing water from an unpressurized source. The Tiger 3000B's powerful 6.5 horsepower 4-stroke petrol engine is fully Euro 5 compliant, resulting in improved economy and efficiency whilst lowering emissions. It creates a massive 200 bar of pressure for fast and effective cleaning and has a flow rate of 8 litres per minute. The large 4-litre fuel tank has a wide filler cap and incorporates a fuel gauge. It is conveniently located on the top of the machine. A fuel tap is located below the tank and the engine cutoff switch is to the side. The oil filler and dipstick is also located to the side of the engine, and a low oil level cutout will prevent the engine from running if the level is too low. A convenient detergent tank also comes as standard to help with those really mucky jobs. The Tiger 3000B is built into a tough protective steel frame with large wheels for easy maneuverability and a folding handle for convenience. It includes a lance assembly with fan to pencil jet nozzle and a 5-meter hose. Convenient brackets are provided for both the hose and lance. If you need truly serious cleaning power in remote locations, you really need the Clarke Tiger 3000B.